Hello YouTube, welcome to another workbench video here with me, Matt, and once again today we'll be discussing some newer NEM converter pockets. These I designed myself and own all the IP to go with it, so anything similar you may get a letter. Anyway, but today this is all about converting older wagons. So once again I have here in front of us nice Lima milk tanker. Now Lima wagons, they all sort of differ from one another. They have different clips, they have different hole sizes, etc, etc, and this is a prime example. So it uses a similar system to other ones. It's a big decoupling, which you can see here, but the difference is on this one the hole that it clips into, instead of 3mm it's 4mm. So the standard ones that I already make don't fit and slop around too much, so I've designed ones with a slightly bigger pin. Now these ones that I do now, which I will just bring in, these are the newer ones, which as you can see the pin on the top is slightly bigger. They don't have any centralization pins which keeps it central, so you need to take a little bit more care. You can fix them with super glue or a glue of your choice. These are resin, so you shouldn't react with anything. So let's have a look at putting these on. So looking underneath the wagon, you can see the underframe here and the base of the chassis. So you can see our other tension lock here, which is the standard one that comes with this wagon. And you can see here the hole left when you remove that clip. So this is a 4mm hole, so the pin will go into there. So if I just angle it towards you so you can see, so this will go a long ways out. This is one pocket, so you can see the 4mm pin, and the further part will go facing outwards. So you will glue that in place, as I say, either with super glue or a glue of your choice. I would recommend super glue. You can remove it eventually at some point, but this will future-proof your wagon, so you can use any other type of NEM clip type, so a normal tension lock or a KD for example. These will also work on other types of vans. I know there's a few vans out there where Hornby use a similar clip, so that will work as well. But you can use any type of KD with this, 18s or 19s, and they work pretty well, and feedback has been extremely good. Okay, so the old couplings have been removed and new ones have now been fitted, and the pockets have now been glued into place, as you can see there, one here and one here. So now it's time to put your couplings on, so whether you use KDs or something else, or the standard tension lock, then you can add whatever you wish and you can be quite happy that it will work and be at the right height. So I'll fit my KDs, which I have here. These are the NEM type, so they have the clip on the end and they will fit in quite nicely. I'm using KD19s, which I believe is the correct one for this, and then we'll check the heights. So here we have our little test track, our converted wagon and a KD height gauge. So let's have a look. Perfect. Couldn't be simpler. All these couplers are available from my Facebook page, Vectis Models. We have a broad range now of various types, so C-cow wagons, which are especially designed for that wagon, using an original mounting point. Also for these types, so gov wagons, milk tankers, general wagons, some bogie stock as well, like the bullies, and various other types. So please have a look, and if you're unsure, please ask a question and I will help you out as quickly as I possibly can. Until the next video, see you soon.